How does the child's primary residence impact child support modification? Have you ever wondered how a child's living situation can change the financial support they receive? When it comes to child support modifications, the child's primary residence is a key factor. The primary residence is where the child spends most of their time, and it is often determined by the custody arrangement agreed upon by the parents or ordered by the court. Custody arrangements can be sole or joint. In sole custody, one parent has primary physical custody, meaning the child lives with them most of the time. In joint custody, both parents share time with the child, which can affect where the child primarily resides. This arrangement plays a significant role in how child support is calculated. Child support is financial assistance provided by the non-custodial parent to help cover the child's living expenses. The amount of child support is usually determined based on several factors, including each parent's income, expenses, and the amount of time each parent spends with the child. When a child's primary residence changes, it can trigger a modification of child support. For instance, if the child moves to live with the other parent, the financial responsibilities may shift. The parent who now has primary custody might need more financial support to cover increased expenses, while the other parent's obligations could decrease. Courts always consider the best interests of the child when deciding on custody and support modifications. A change in primary residence must be justified as being in the child's best interest. Any modifications to child support must reflect this change to ensure the child's needs are met. Temporary changes, like a child visiting the other parent's home for a short period, usually do not trigger a child support modification. However, if the change is more permanent, it could lead to a reassessment of financial responsibilities. In cases involving domestic violence, the child's safety is the top priority. A change in primary residence might be necessary to protect the child from an abusive situation. In these scenarios, child support modifications may be essential to ensure the child's financial needs are met in a safe environment. Ultimately, the child's primary residence significantly impacts child support modifications. Changes in custody arrangements and living situations can lead to shifts in financial responsibilities. Courts prioritize the child's well-being in these decisions, ensuring that any modifications support their needs and security.